Every single day, millions of unprotected sexual encounters happen, and yet, most of them don't result in pregnancy. You might have been in that situation before and wondered, was it luck? Was it timing? Or was something working silently behind the scenes? Today, we're breaking down the real science of why unprotected sex doesn't automatically lead to pregnancy, and what biological factors most likely saved you. First, let's reset your assumption. Many people think unprotected sex almost always leads to pregnancy. That's simply not true. On any given day of a woman's cycle, the probability of conception from a single unprotected encounter is only 15 to 25%. And that's only on her peak fertile days. On non-fertile days, that number drops to nearly zero. A woman's fertile window is just 5 to 6 days per cycle, the 5 days before ovulation and the day of ovulation itself. That means for roughly 22 to 25 days of the month, pregnancy is biologically near impossible. So factor number 1? Timing. The cycle wasn't in the right window. Here's something most people don't know. Out of the 200 to 500 million sperm released, only a few hundred actually make it close to the egg, and typically, only one fertilizes it. Why? Because the female reproductive system is not a welcoming highway. It's more like an obstacle course. The acidic environment of the vagina immediately kills a large percentage of sperm. The cervical mucus acts as a filter. It's only permeable during the fertile window. Sperm must swim through the uterus and up the fallopian tubes, a journey most don't survive. Even sperm that do survive have a lifespan of only 3 to 5 days. If ovulation didn't occur within that window, every single sperm dies before it can meet an egg. Even if sperm does reach an egg, fertilization isn't guaranteed. The egg is surrounded by a protective layer called the zona pellucida. Only a sperm that carries the right enzymes can break through it. And here's the bigger twist. The egg is only viable for 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. That's it. One single day. Miss that window and no fertilization occurs no matter how much sperm is present. Even if fertilization happens, the journey isn't over. The fertilized egg must travel down the fallopian tube, divide into cells, and successfully implant into the uterine lining, a process that takes 6 to 10 days. Studies show that up to 50% of fertilized eggs fail to implant and are naturally expelled from the body, often before a woman even knows anything happened. This is called early pregnancy loss, and it's far more common than most people realize. So even fertilization doesn't mean pregnancy followed. So what actually saved you? Most likely a combination of timing. Sex didn't happen during the fertile window. Cervical mucus barrier. Sperm couldn't penetrate or navigate without the right conditions. Sperm failure. The hostile vaginal environment eliminated sperm before they reached the egg. No ovulation. The egg simply wasn't released at that point in the cycle. Failed implantation. Even if fertilization occurred, the embryo didn't implant. Biology in most cases is doing a lot of work. But, and this is critical, it is not reliable protection. These same factors that saved you can align differently any other time, and pregnancy can occur. Understanding your body doesn't mean taking risks. It means making informed choices. Whether you're trying to conceive or trying to avoid it, knowledge of how conception actually works puts you in control. If this video helped you understand something you've always wondered, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What topic should we break down next?